Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. It is Monday here, just getting in. I just wanted to show you guys something really cool that we're gonna be working on today. So this is obviously a mobile pet spa. It's from Gaby's Mobile Pet Spa, so you can check them out on Facebook and Instagram. What she's gonna be getting today is the upgraded radio. This is a 2024 and the radio in it from the factory is absolutely terrible. So you can see, look at this thing. It looks like it's from a 96 Civic. So what we're going to be doing is taking the radio out, and we're actually going to hook up the standalone camera. We're going to take the monitor out and use the existing camera and put it on the screen here. The new radio is going to have AM, FM with Bluetooth, and of course it's going to have wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So give us a little bit of time and we'll take another video when everything's complete and show you what the new radio can do. All right, thanks guys. Hey, what's up guys? Mike again with Gaby's Mobile Pet Spa. Just finished this van up. We took a video earlier this morning. If you guys have any kind of pets that need grooming, definitely check her out. She's local. This thing is absolutely awesome. Check this out. So again, definitely reach out to her. And I'm going to show you the radio that we just completed. So what we did here, we installed a Pioneer doubled-in radio. The radio has HD radio. It's got Bluetooth, USB, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and then we also added Sirius XM. So you can see this thing, how nice it fits in there. You guys remember earlier how crappy the original radio was. Originally we were going to take this mirror, the monitor out. We decided to leave it because the size of this truck is just huge. It's nice to have this on all the time. We were able to get the camera on here, and you would be able to have it on as well all the time, but then the problem is you wouldn't have your actual CarPlay or radio, whatever's playing. So in this situation, it really makes sense to leave this thing here. There's also the camera in the mirror as well if the truck was running, so that has a higher view. So you can see here we added a USB on the dash. You can see the HD radio playing now. You got your time, all your settings are through this little gear button here. Really clean install. And then of course Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's the biggest thing that most guys want nowadays. So again, if you have anything like this, please give us a call. We can certainly take care of it for you. 610-328-0301. Thank you guys.